Welcome to Tooltech Geek. This is a flashlight that I designed, the enclosure. These are some parts you can get from Amazon, such as a LED light bulb, little spring contact. This is a switch, on-off switch, and this is a resistor. So I basically model some of these parts in this CAD, OpenSCAD, and basically created this enclosure all around it, and then I divided it, basically mirrored it, so one can print it in a 3D printer. This looks very much like an industrial part, and so I printed it this way, so it has to be flat on the bottom. So I added a bit of support because here this angle is pretty steep. So I printed these two halves and I put the components inside with some soldering, and I just duct tape the thing because I didn't do any sort of fastening or way to hold it together. But as a proof of concept, it's pretty good. What's the point of making your own flashlight? Well, one idea will be you can integrate it with other things. So you can make maybe some kind of multi-tool that includes a light. So it's could be interesting. The other is just for fun. Or you could make a light that has kind of specific lumens that you want or something. In any case, my case is kind of to investigate how to make a design. It is like very small. It uses the CR2 battery, which are very lightweight. You can get a rechargeable and non-rechargeable version. These are rechargeable, CR2 3.7 volts. The only problem is one of these was dead on arrival. Same thing happened with the light bulb. One works, I ordered like two, one works, one doesn't. So some of these very cheap components, probably your best bet is to order several in case some are bad quality control. And this is all kind of for prototyping, so I don't care too much. But if this was more serious, I'll be complaining, returning, because very hit or miss with some of these products. So at all in all, this kind of shows you can build your own flashlight. It's not very efficient because I reduce the current using a resistor, which basically wastes some of the energy instead of producing light. However, by reducing the current, this battery may last longer and not be discharged too fast. So you could connect directly the battery to this light bulb, but it's gonna start to heat up. It produces a lot of light, but it heats up, and when the bulb heats up, then it reduces the efficiency, so that's also bad. So I know this is a little light, kind of a EDC type of size. This design probably will have to be improved by having ways to open it and change the battery very easily without messing up with the other components. May or may not do it, but so far I kind of like the whole process of making something kind of from scratch. Thank you for watching.